Ever found yourself scrolling for hours, looking for information for your next trip? Hours pass and still nothing.
What if there was a better way?
Welcome to the Indi Travel Guide.
We have done the searching for you.
We've gathered the best creators from cities all over the world.
No more hours of scrolling through countless websites.
With Indi Travel Guide, you can concentrate on the good stuff, planning your trip and exploring the world. Visit Indi Travel Guide and join our online community. Meet like-minded people who love sharing their travel experiences.
Get inside information on the best places to travel and explore.
Connect with people in the know and get all the tips and tricks for your next adventure.
And the best part?
It's all free.
And this is just the beginning. Let's go.